Hi kids, let's read common daily use question answers.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had toast and egg.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
What time do you wake?
I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Do you have a siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 12 o'clock p.m.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
What's your favorite animal?
I love cats.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm working.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
What's your favorite subject?
I like maths.
What's your favorite snack?
I like chips.
What happened?
I'm tired.